Okay, Jeanette, I'll try to explain how to do it. First, you go to your model, Critical Thinking, and then turn Editing on. Here I see you have the ebook, and in the ebook you have just put a link in to another movie. You can put a link, the movie itself, here. On this wheel you can edit chapter 1, and here you can add the movie in the same way as you did earlier in Romania. I'll show you. I'll find this movie. It's here, Understanding Critical Thinking. I'm back here because what I was thinking easy way to do is just to copy the content you already have made into the ebook. As an example, here we have this Understanding Critical Thinking. I can go to Edit Settings, and if I click here in this embedded felt, I'll go to the whole code, and then I just Ctrl+C, copy, then go back to the ebook. What is Critical Thinking? Edit, and the same here, and then Ctrl+V, and you have copied the content. Save changes. And so you can go on if you would like to make a new chapter. Then you just click on this plus sign, chapter 2, blah blah blah. Then you can copy anything that you have made before. I hope this makes some kind of sense for you.